Hi everyone, it's Julie with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. So the holiday season is now upon us. So I wanted to show you guys my pumpkin pie recipe that is vegan. It's also SOS-free, meaning it's free of salt, oil, and refined sugar. It's also naturally gluten-free, soy-free, all the different frees that are going to help you feel comfortable about eating this pie for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. So let's go ahead and get started with what you're going to need for this recipe. Alright, so you guys, this is another close-up of my beautiful, delicious pumpkin pie. As you can see, I already started to dig into it. You guys, this is so delicious and good. It's sweetened with dates. It has nothing but whole foods in it. The fact that it's free from salt and oil and refined sugar just makes it that much more enjoyable to dig into. So I highly recommend you make this because it's so smooth, creamy, and sweet. This is going to be a great addition to your Thanksgiving dinner, your Christmas dinner, any type of holiday event you might be having. So I hope that you guys give this a try, and I hope that you enjoy the recipe. I hope that everyone has a great, happy, and healthy Thanksgiving and Christmas holiday and all the beautiful holidays that are upon us. So thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!